Investing can often feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. But what if I told you there's a way to invest without the stress? That's where a systematic investment plan, or SIP, comes into play. Let's dive into what SIP is and how it can help you build wealth over time. A SIP is essentially a disciplined way to invest in mutual funds. You can start with as little as Rs 500 a month. Yes, just Rs 500. This makes it accessible for everyone, whether you are a student, a working professional, or even someone looking to secure their retirement. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you can accumulate wealth gradually without the pressure of making large lump sum investments. So, how does SIP work? It's quite simple. You choose a mutual fund scheme and decide how much you want to invest monthly. The money is automatically deducted from your bank account and invested in the chosen fund. This automatic process not only saves you time, but also helps you stay committed to your investment goals. One of the key benefits of SIP is something called Rupee cost averaging. This means that when you invest a fixed amount regularly, you buy more units when prices are low and fewer units when prices are high. Over time, this averages out your purchase cost, reducing the impact of market volatility. It's a smart way to navigate the ups and downs of the market without getting stressed about timing your investments perfectly. Let's look at an example using a SIP calculator. Suppose you invest Rs 500 every month for 10 years in a mutual fund that gives an average return of 12% per annum. By the end of that period, you could accumulate around Rs 9 lakh. That's the power of consistent investing. It's not just about the amount you invest, but the time you allow your money to grow. Now, you might be wondering how to start a SIP. The process is straightforward. First, choose a mutual fund that aligns with your financial goals. Research different funds, check their past performance, and understand their risk levels. Once you've made your choice, you can easily set up your SIP through the fund's website or through a financial advisor. Just fill out a form, provide your bank details, and you're good to go. However, there are some common myths about SIPs that need to be busted. One myth is that SIPs are only for long-term investors. While they are indeed great for long-term wealth creation, they can also be beneficial for short-term goals, depending on the mutual fund you choose. Another myth is that SIPs guarantee profits. While they do reduce risk through Rupee cost averaging, it's essential to remember that all investments come with risks. It's crucial to stay informed and review your investments regularly. In conclusion, SIPs offer a stress-free way to invest in mutual funds, making them perfect for beginners. With just Rs 500 a month, you can start your journey towards financial independence. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So take that first step today and watch your wealth build over time.